Go ahead on to the next one there, Will. Microsoft's Internet Explorer is dead. Ooh, unfortunate. R.I.P. Or unfortunate, because honestly, I didn't use it that much.
No.
Obviously, there was a period of time before Mo was born that I was clickety-clacking on that browser. However, shortly after, you had the likes of the Firefox and eventually Chrome, and on Mac you had Safari.
What about Netscape Navigator?
Netscape I was using before Internet Explorer, actually.
Yeah. Classic.
The tech giant Microsoft has retired the Internet Explorer web browser as of Wednesday. The ubiquitous blue and white E, sometimes featuring a gold band, will be disappearing from computers around the world, and the Internet, at least some of it, is in mourning. Some of the Internet is upset about this. I don't know who. I think it's more of just a nostalgia thing in general. This idea, yeah, I mean, that symbol, you look at that icon, damn, it's got to mean something to you. You saw it a lot at one point in time. For many, it was probably their first gateway into the internet, into a place other than their own lives.
The gateway drug?
You could call it such a thing if you, as you please. Only order it to taste. Many online grew nostalgic about the web browser that was launched in 1995. 95? I was 10.
I was 1.
I told you, see? Well, that was when it was launched. But what was your first web browser? Do you recall, Mo?
Well, yeah, this.
Oh, Internet Explorer, because it was pre-installed. And 27 years of service. Well, listen, you got to retire it. They got new products now.
Yeah.
They moved away from it a long time ago. I guess they were just sort of supporting it, but Edge has been there for a while, since 2015. Faster, more secure, more modern browsing experience than Internet Explorer. So yeah, there's going to be an IE mode in Edge. There is an IE mode in Edge. If for whatever reason you see it as being beneficial to keep the dream alive.